According to National Electrical Code 2023, Article 314.28 the box size for a pass-through gutter with multiple conduits on both sides is determined by multiplying the number of conduits on each side by the cross-sectional area of the largest conduit used. Let's break this down. In the scenario we have, there are two 2-inch conduits on the top side and four 2-inch conduits on the bottom side. To calculate the cross-sectional area of a single 2-inch conduit, we use the formula for the area of a circle, which is pi times the radius squared. Since the diameter is 2 inches, the radius is 1 inch. Therefore, the area is 3.14 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 squared. For the top side, the calculation is 2 conduits multiplied by the cross-sectional area of each conduit, which is 3.14 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 squared, resulting in 6.28 square inches. For the bottom side, the calculation is 4 conduits multiplied by the same cross-sectional area, resulting in 12.56 square inches. Now, we add the cross-sectional areas from both sides to get the total cross-sectional area, which is 6.28 plus 12.56, equaling 18.84 square inches. The next step is to determine the box size by multiplying the total cross-sectional area by 8. Thus, the box size is 18.84 multiplied by 8, which equals 150.72 square inches. To find the dimensions of the box, we take the square root of 150.72, which is approximately 12.25 inches. Therefore, the box dimension should be 12.25 inches by 12.25 inches by 4 feet. It's important to note that the National Electrical Code 2023 method for calculating pass-through gutter box size differs from the method used in the 1999 National Electrical Code. In the 1999 National Electrical Code, the box size was determined by multiplying the number of conduits on each side by the trade size of the largest conduit used. Using the 1999 National Electrical Code method, the box size would be smaller, specifically 10 inches by 10 inches by 4 feet. This difference highlights the importance of using the most current code to ensure safety and compliance.